Hello audience, John the Builder here. If you recall from one of my previous videos, I was explaining how to take out a tile floor using some manual equipment, hammer, chisel, etc. You can see the floor so far, how we progressed with using those tools. However, I'm going to show you today how to use some electric tools to maybe make this job go a little easier. This has taken me quite a while, very labor intensive, and now I'm going to see if we can make some faster progress using my DeWalt Rotary Hammer set on hammer drill function, straight to the hammer part of it. And it takes special bits. I've got a box here of special bits, as you can see, one that looks more like a wider chisel, more of a narrower chisel. I'm going to try with the wider one. So we go ahead, it's not like your traditional bit, it's what they call an SDS bit. We're going to push this down, engage this, and then we're ready to go. So this is going to act just like a hammer, cycling in and out as I pull the trigger. Okay. So before we get started, make sure you have your personal protective equipment, PPE, your safety glasses. I like to wear gloves. Just so happens I have these ergodyne gloves. They've got open fingers, gives me a little more dexterity. Again, I still have my built-in knee pads, and I'm gonna go ahead and get started and show you how we might be able to do this a little quicker. Now you might want some ear protection, because this does get a little loud, especially depending on the space that you're in case it echoes. We're going to give it a try. Hopefully I won't have to resort to needing additional hearing protection. So I'm going to adjust this. You've got a handle here that's adjustable to the positioning you want. Now we're going to start here. So even though they did a very good job of putting this in with their mortar, it was very difficult, several hours to do this by hand. You see I put up one piece pretty quick. I'm gonna try another one. And just by the sheer size of the pieces that are coming up, you can see here, these were more pulverized, significantly smaller. Whereas this, I'm able to take pieces up in larger chunks. You're easily scooping right up underneath of that tile and popping it up. So I'm going to keep doing this floor. Check back for other videos. Again, if you want to see the version of doing it by hand, you can check out my other video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. This is John the Builder. Thank you.